From royalty to rebels, chokers have made their mark on fashion for centuries. But how did this iconic accessory evolve over time? Today on Glowenvy, we're taking a deep dive into the fascinating history of chokers from their elegant past to their modern-day comeback. Let's explore. Chokers are back in fashion. They are a stylish accessory. Chokers have a long history. They have been worn for centuries. Chokers are necklaces that fit tightly around the neck. They can be made from many materials. Some examples are velvet, leather, and beads. Chokers can be plain or decorated. Throughout history, chokers have had different meanings. Sometimes they were a sign of wealth. Other times they were a symbol of rebellion. Chokers have been worn by queens and rebels alike. Chokers are a timeless piece of jewelry. They continue to be a popular choice for people all over the world. This essay will explore the history of chokers. Chokers have been around for a long time, tracing their origins back to some of the earliest civilizations known to humanity. Some of the earliest examples were found in Mesopotamia, a cradle of ancient culture and innovation. Queen Puabi of Ur, a prominent figure in Mesopotamian history, was buried with a choker. This was in 2600 BC, a time when jewelry was not just an adornment but a significant cultural artifact. Her choker was made of gold and precious stones, showcasing the craftsmanship and value placed on such items. In ancient Egypt, chokers were also popular, reflecting the society's deep connection to jewelry. They were worn by both men and women, transcending gender and social boundaries. Egyptians wore chokers for protection and as a sign of status, embedding them with amulets and symbols. Some chokers were decorated with amulets believed to hold magical properties. These were believed to ward off evil, providing spiritual protection to the wearer. The ancient Celts also wore chokers, integrating them into their warrior culture. They believed that chokers could protect them in battle, serving both a practical and symbolic purpose. Celtic chokers were often made of metal, demonstrating their advanced metalworking skills. Some were decorated with intricate designs, reflecting the artistic sensibilities of the Celts. These ancient cultures show us that chokers have always been important, transcending time and geography. They were more than just a decoration, they were a statement of identity and belief. Chokers were a symbol of power, belief, and fashion, weaving together the threads of history and culture.
Chokers continued to be fashionable throughout history, evolving in style and significance over the centuries. In the Middle Ages, people wore chokers with religious pendants, often as a sign of their faith and devotion. These pendants often depicted saints, such as Saint Sebastian, and were believed to hold protective powers. People believed these pendants could protect them from illness and misfortune, serving as both a spiritual and physical safeguard. During the French Revolution, red ribbons became a powerful symbol of the revolution, representing the blood of those who had been executed. People wore them around their necks like chokers to show their allegiance and solidarity with the revolutionary cause. This simple yet poignant accessory became a way for individuals to visibly demonstrate their support for the revolution. In the 19th century, Princess Alexandra of Denmark made chokers fashionable once again, bringing them into the mainstream. She wore them to hide a scar on her neck, turning a personal necessity into a widespread fashion trend. Many women copied her style, and chokers became a staple in Victorian fashion. Chokers became a popular fashion accessory with various styles emerging over the years. These examples show how chokers have evolved, adapting to the changing tastes and cultural contexts of each era. They have been used to express beliefs, mark historical events, and make fashion statements, proving their enduring appeal and versatility.
Chokers are popular again today. These stylish accessories have made a significant comeback in recent years, capturing the attention of fashion enthusiasts everywhere. They came back into fashion in the 1990s, becoming a staple in the wardrobes of many. This was due to the popularity of grunge and goth styles, which embraced the edgy and bold look of chokers. Today, chokers come in many styles, ranging from minimalist designs to elaborate statement pieces. They can be made from different materials like velvet, which adds a touch of luxury and elegance, lace, which offers a delicate and feminine look, and metal, which provides a modern and edgy vibe. Chokers are worn by celebrities and people all over the world, making appearances on red carpets and in everyday street style. Chokers are a versatile accessory, easily paired with a variety of outfits to create different looks. They can be dressed up or down, making them suitable for both casual and formal occasions. They are a great way to add a touch of style to any outfit, whether you're following the latest trends or creating your own unique look. Chokers have a long and fascinating history, with roots that trace back to ancient civilizations. They have been worn for centuries, symbolizing various cultural and social significances throughout time. Chokers are a timeless piece of jewelry, continually evolving while maintaining their classic appeal. They continue to be a popular and stylish accessory for people all over the world, transcending trends and generations. Chokers have truly stood the test of time. Which era's style is your favorite? Let's chat in the comments. And if you love fashion history and timeless trends, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Glowenvy style deep dives. See you in the next one.